To use the Tagholder import feature, you need to save your data under specific columns in the Excel spreadsheet. Then navigate to the Access Portal server under the Tools tab and browse and select your Excel spreadsheet. Select your site as well as your person asset profile and give your profile a name. Next, you need to map your Excel spreadsheet column names to your database field names. Then save your profile and click on the Process button. Now you'll see in your Tagholder screen, your tag holders have been successfully imported.